Good morning, beauty lovers. Hello. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am an Avon beauty boss, and welcome to Get Ready with Me. I've already gone in this morning with my skincare regimen, so I'm working with a fresh palette. I've got the Dual Elixir as a treatment to get rid of wrinkles and dark spots, and I have my Skin Invincible Day Cream that has an SPF 50 in it that is doing all the good to moisturize and protect my skin from the sun. And then these puffy eyes are needing some depuffing cream. This time change has kicked my honey. How about you guys? So let's hop in and start getting ready. We're going to start with our Ink Lasting Primer, which is good to reduce the oil and pore size of your pores on your face if you're battling with larger pores. It also will set your makeup for 10 to 12 hours, so you won't have to reapply during the day. This stuff is amazing. So I'm going to apply it all over the face, even catching the eye area so the eye makeup will stay in place. And we will get ready. So I've been thinking about Christmas decorations. When do you put them up? So it's the 1st of November, and I'm like, I'm not sure I'm ready. I still like my fall decor out, but my boys are ready. Okay, I'm warming up that Magix wand, which can be used as a foundation stick, can be used as a contour stick, and I'm using it in the shade Marshmallow as a concealer. Right under the eyes, I'm doing the downward triangle. You can almost instantly see a difference once I apply that. We're going to let that just melt into the skin and warm up on the skin just a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and get started with our Ink Lasting Foundation. It's Kush and it's so cool. So you're not going to spill it, and it's going to go on smooth and even and beautiful. So I'm using a ruby cell puff that comes in it. And open it up. Go down, pick up some of your product, and you're just going to stamp on your face to kind of get it spread out. And then you go back and you pat. I'm just patting it to blend it in. This is a great foundation because it's buildable, and you can do just a light coat if you want. You can go back and you can do a full coat if you want. So I am more of a full coverage girl. So I'm going to blend that Magix wand now. Blend. You're just gently patting into the skin. Tap. Making sure that it's covering all the areas the way that you would want. And the cool part about it to me is it's not heavy. It's not cakey. It's really lightweight, and it feels good. And it's got some good properties. It's putting some moisture back into your skin and not taking it out, which is always a good property of a good foundation. So, as I was saying, when do you guys say hello whenever you hop on? Let me know that you're here. If you're not seeing a red live button, then you're catching the replay. So, #replay. So let me know, when do you decorate for Christmas? So I still have all of my fall stuff up. I'm a huge fan of Thanksgiving. I love the time with family and just eating together and sharing together and just hanging out together is really important. But I love the magic of Christmas. I love the Christmas trees and the lights. And hi, Gandy, good morning. And all of the things. And Kaden, hold on one second. I gotta let my dog out. Go. Sorry, my dog got stuck in the bathroom with me. But my Kaden last night was like, Christmas tree. Because we've been watching Christmas movies. And so he is like, it is time. It is time to decorate. So when do you do your decorating? That's a question I have for you guys, because I'm like, I feel like it's kind of early. I mean, it's the 1st of November, but Thanksgiving is really late this year. Like, it doesn't fall until like the last week of November, which is normally when I put mine up. Okay, I'm going to go in now with translucent loose powder, and I'm just going to blend it together. Just to give me a matte look. It also gives you like a filtered look, like whenever you're taking a picture, kind of like you did a filter, because I don't know how to use filters. Somebody asked me the other day, do you put filters on all your pictures? And I was like, no. Not because I don't want to, but mainly because I don't know how to. So, not messing with all that stuff. Okay, let's go in now and do these brows. We're going to the weekend after Thanksgiving. But Thanksgiving isn't until like the last week of the month, which would put you not putting your stuff up till the first week of December. And it seems like that's not very long to leave them up, because I'm going to tell you, I'm taking those puppies down as soon as the first of the year gets here. I don't leave it up much longer than that. But Lucas loves Santa Claus. He loves that jolly old man. And so a lot of my decor is Santa Clauses and nativity scenes. And so the boys really enjoy that. So I'm like, is it bad to go ahead and put it up? I think my mom always made us wait until after Thanksgiving. And that's probably part of why I have that in my mindset, that we have to wait till Thanksgiving. But who makes the rules on this stuff? I mean, let's face it, Walmart and Hobby Lobby has had stuff out for months. Okay, I'm making a mess here. All right, we're lined. So who makes the rules, right? Who says, it's kind of like we used to be told that you don't wear white shoes after Labor Day, right? And you can't wear them until Easter. Guys, I'm going to go in with my favorite quad this morning, which is the Chocolate Sensations. I know it's used. I've used a lot of it. I'm just feeling like a little chocolate sensation this morning. So I'm going to pick up that lightest color, and I'm going to cover the lid of my eye. But who makes the rules? So the thing isn't any, you can wear white shoes now before Easter and after Labor Day, and people really don't say anything. But, there's all those fashion codes and stuff. I don't really follow them. Do you follow them? I'm doing mine the weekend before Thanksgiving so my boys can do. See, we are going to my sister's house. Okay, I'm going to go in now with the second shade for Thanksgiving. And they love all of her Santas and the magic of the lights. And for me, it's not about presents under the tree. It's just about the lights and the glow of it all. So, I don't know. We may do a Christmas tree next weekend. We shall see. I will keep you guys updated. I'm just always interested in what other people do and what your thoughts are on the process. Why do you wait till Thanksgiving? Is there a particular reason? So I worked that crease with number 2. I'm going to go in now and pick up number 3, and I'm going to blend this crease. I guess we make our own rules, right? So if I wanted to do it on October, I could, but not really. It's going to be a long time that it's going to be in my living room then, so not really a fan of that. I'm also kind of worried about how my dogs are going to do. They tend to be eating everything these days. I'm going to give you a closed eye so you can see. It went in kind of dark. So I'm going to take the lighter shade of that, and I'm just going to kind of blend it down just a little bit. Just going to tone it down. There we go. Okay. Now we are going to go in with our Super Extend Precision Liquid, which my sister now has me hooked on. It is awesome. Goes on so smoothly. And it's really bold on the eye, and it lasts all day long. I'm not having any trouble with it lasting. Now we're going to go under the eye. There we go. Let's try this other side. There we go. I don't have a lot of space for decorations. Let me see what she says here. I don't have a lot of space for decoration, so I'll wait because I can't handle the chaos. Yes, very true. Yes, I know space is definitely an issue too. When we built our house, we have two little nooks on either side of our um, fireplace for my Christmas trees. We have two. And then this year, Chad surprised me. I'm going to use Love Mascara and built me shelves in that space, which I love because they're great to display like pictures, and I love my shelves. But now I'm thinking, oh, the trees are going to have to be pulled out some so I can display like my nativity scenes and my Santa Clauses there. So it may be a little bit less space. It may be a little bit more chaotic this year. So I was kind of thinking about that too. And I guess you can do like half of the decorations, right? Do like the Christmas tree and the Santa Clauses and not put out all your outdoor lights and all of that stuff yet. That Love Mascara, you guys, it just grabs a hold of those lashes and extends them, makes them pop. It is so cool. Okay, I'm going to use our new blush in Coral. It's so cool. Loving it. So I'm going to open it up. I've got my Ruby Cell Puff. I'm just going to pick up just a little bit of color, and I'm just going to apply it right here to the apples of my cheeks. Not too much. Just gives you a little hint of color. Like it? What do y'all think? Then I'm going to show y'all our new highlighter, which is also made the same way. It's a little compact. You pick up your Ruby Cell Puff, open up the little thing, and highlighter goes the places that the light hits you most. The places that you want to have a little bit of extra shine. If you've got a beauty lover in your life, this is a great gift for them for Christmas. Do a little bit right here. A little bit on the Cupid's bow and a little bit right here. So you can kind of see it just illuminates. It gives your face that little extra glow. This stuff is amazing. I've also used my illumination stick for the same thing. It's got a brown goldish undertone to it, which is great for the summertime when you're having like a tan. Sorry, my nose is running. When you have a tan and you're wanting to pick up some of those colors from a tan. I'm very pale complected, so this really, let me see if I can get it better. You can kind of see it a little bit better that way. So it's just patted on just a little bit to give it just a little bit of an illumination. So this morning we are going to wear our 2-in-1 lip tattoo in the shade Inked Rose. I haven't worn an ink tattoo in a while, so we're going to do ink tattoo. I'm going to okay. I went out of the lines just a little bit. That's okay. And we're going to go up here. Draw this in. I love this Inked Rose color. It's such a light, it's just a light, pretty pink. It's not too bold, but this inked 2-in-1 ink tattoo will stay on me all day long. I'm using the filler part now. I used the liner part first. That light makes my teeth look yellow. And I've been using my whitening toothpaste, charcoal whitening toothpaste. It's awesome in this book, this campaign, and it's working good. Okay, what do you think? We've got the full face and we're ready to go. So if you want to shop for these products, you can do them on your avon.com/jwoolsey. Use code WELCOME10 if it's your first online order. You're going to get a 10% discount, and they'll ship it right to your house. If you like these tips and you think that they're helpful for maybe somebody in your life that's learning to wear makeup, share this video. You never know who may learn some tips that are helpful for them, and it supports our family, and I appreciate it when you guys share. So thank you so much for getting ready with me, and I hope that you all have a fantastic week, and you put your Christmas decorations up whenever you're ready. I'll share with you guys when I get mine up. We'll see you all later. Bye, guys.